Hello, toddlers and preschoolers. How are you today? I hope you're doing well, and I hope you are excited about this week's Grab and Go bag. My name is Miss Jenna from the Chippewa Falls Public Library. Thank you for watching. Today and this week, we have 2 activities for you. You'll be able to make your own paper plate flower, and yours will turn out different than mine. Yours will be very unique and awesome as well. And we also have Sing a Song Cube. And I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So let's take a peek and see what is in your bag. You have the images for the song cube. There are 5 images and 6 sides of the box. So you can choose to put on all of these, and then you can make up your own song on one of them, and we'll walk through how that works in a minute. You have this funny shaped looking thing and a paper plate, and then a lot of paper. This half sheet has the 5 songs that go with the 5 images. Unfortunately, I put 6 songs on the top, so disregard my typo. It should say 5 songs. There's the Itsy Bitsy Spider, This Little Cow, Tommy Thumb, Baa Baa Black Sheep, and Jump Like a Frog. And in a minute, we'll sing all of them together so you know how they go. You have a green piece of construction paper for the stems and the leaf of your flower. A different colored piece of construction paper for your box. Mine is orange, yours might be yellow or purple or blue. There's the directions and other activities and links and more books about flowers. And then there's lots of different activity pages this week all about gardening and flowers. And there is a book that you can color and put together, and coloring sheets, and a flower puppet that you can put onto your paper bag, and we can reuse the paper bag then too. Lots of fun stuff this week. So how can you make a flower all your own? You're going to need your green piece of paper and your paper plate. Some kids may want to freestyle it and cut out the leaves and the stem all on their own, but some kids might need a little extra help with cutting on the lines. So your child or you are welcome to draw the leaves and the stem, and then they can cut it out. The same thing with the flower. You're welcome to draw the flower first, and then they can cut it out. And this will be really good practice with the cutting skills because a plate isn't flat. So they'll have to really work on trying to stay on the lines. And if they're new to scissors or really little, if you need to help them a little bit, that's okay too. If you kids need just a little bit of help with your scissors, that's okay. Everybody's still learning. And then you have your own paper plate flower. All right, the song cube. We're going to practice the songs. So I'm going to use the song cube that I already made. I have the Itsy Bitsy Spider, Jump Like a Frog, Baa Baa Black Sheep. The sheep is kind of hard to see in this light, I apologize. Tommy Thumb is up, This Little Cow, and then the bottom is blank. So that means you can decide to draw your own picture, or it can be a free space. So we're going to roll the cube, And we're going to sing whatever shows up on top. That's this little cow. The cow was on top. And this is a great way also to talk about different directional words like on top and above and on the side. So this little cow goes like this. This little cow eats grass. This little cow eats hay. This little cow looks over the hedge. This little cow runs away. And this big cow does nothing at all but lie in the fields all day. This little cow eats grass. This little cow eats hay. This little cow looks over the hedge. And this little cow runs away. And this big cow chases and chases the flies all day. And that's a fun one that you can do with little kids as well. You can help them hold up their fingers and say the words with them. Let's see what else is going to pop up on top when we roll the cube. It is Baa Baa Black Sheep. Let's practice Baa Baa Black Sheep. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. This is a fun one. You can switch up the colors. You can sing Baa Baa Green Sheep and look around the room for something green as you sing. Let's roll it again. What's gonna pop up this time? It's the empty space. So that means you can decide whichever song you want to sing. And because I can't hear you, I'm gonna choose one of my own. Let's sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Are you ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Let's see, we'll roll it one more time. It's the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Are you ready for the Itsy Bitsy Spider? The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the spout again. This is a fun one. You can switch up this nursery rhyme too. You can have different animals going up the water spout. Maybe it's going to be an octopus suction cupping up the spout. Or maybe an elephant stomping up the spout. All right, the last one with the thumb is Tommy Thumb is Up. And this one, you can help your children by doing the actions with them or practice it enough and they can do it on their own too. Or if you have really, really, really little ones, this is a fun one to do during diaper changes too, where you can hold your thumbs up in front of them and put your thumbs on their body parts. So your thumbs, or you can hold their thumbs and place them on the different body parts. All right, you can use one thumb or two. Tommy Thumb is up. Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance them on your shoulders. Dance them on your head. Dance them on your knees. And tuck them into bed. This is one of my favorite ones. All right, I think we went through, oh, we didn't do the jump like a frog. Whoopsies. The frog one. All right, so this one, it's very, very easy. So it's easier if you're standing up for this one too, but I'm hooked up to my computer, so we'll pretend. It goes like this. Jump like a frog, stretch like a cat, hop like a bunny, flap like a bat, wiggle like a worm, slither like a snake, be a wet dog, and shake, shake, shake. All right, so this is what your song cube would look like. And you can see I have it all wrapped in tape, so it's sturdier and stronger and will last longer. Maybe put it in a diaper bag for your outings, fun stuff like that. So how you put the box together. So you're going to want to first fold and work the different pre-folded spots and lines just so they're easier to work with. And this is something that your kid can help you with, most definitely. Right, kids? Yeah. All right, so we've worked all of the pre-folded lines. Now, I like to fold the top part first. So I'm going to put the small flaps in. And this will also be a great opportunity to talk about size differences with your kids. And then you've got the front flap, and then you just tuck that right in there. Okay, and now you'll see on the bottom, we have little wings in two of the flaps. And then we have little arms on two of the other flaps. So the little arms go inside the little holes with the wings there. Okay, so I usually fold them down one at a time. So I stick one side in, and then I stick the same flap in, and then I lift and tuck. You might find a way that's easier for you. Some boxes are a little different. I'm having trouble with this one. Okay, try that again. This one is being tricky for me. Every box is different. Get in there. There we go. And then you have the box all put together. And I like to open the top part back up because it's easier than the bottom. And then I will stick in a couple pieces of tape on the inside bottom part, just so it is a little stronger that way too. And then put your images on it and tape it all up and give it a toss. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you want more songs to sing together, on your sheet, I have a link to more songs that you can learn together. And that's on our website. Have a wonderful day. Bye.